Once upon a time in a small, dusty village nestled deep within the heart of Africa, lived a young boy named Kofi. Kofi had always been fascinated by the majestic elephants that roamed the nearby savanna. Every morning, he would venture to the edge of the village, gazing out at the graceful creatures with wonder in his eyes. One bright morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, Kofi spotted a baby elephant alone at the outskirts of the village. Concern etched across his face, he approached cautiously. The baby elephant, which Kofi named Tembo, was timid and scared, separated from its herd.
With kindness in his heart, Kofi decided to help Tembo find its family. He fetched buckets of water from the village well and offered them to the thirsty elephant. Slowly, Tembo began to trust the young boy. Together, they embarked on a journey through the vast African wilderness. Days turned into weeks, and Kofi and Tembo's bond grew stronger with each passing moment. Kofi learned to communicate with Tembo using gentle whispers and soft touches. They navigated dense jungles, crossed treacherous rivers, and traversed scorching deserts, all the while searching for Tembo's herd.
Their perseverance was rewarded one magical evening when they stumbled upon a group of elephants in a lush, green clearing. Tembo's eyes sparkled with recognition as it rushed towards its long-lost family. Kofi watched with tears of joy as the baby elephant was enveloped in loving embraces by its mother and siblings. Kofi knew it was time to say goodbye. With a heavy heart, he patted Tembo's massive trunk and whispered words of encouragement. As he turned to leave, the herd's wise matriarch, a grand old elephant, approached Kofi. She reached out her trunk and gently touched his cheek, a silent thank you for reuniting their family.
Kofi returned to his village a changed boy, his heart forever touched by the incredible journey he had shared with Tembo. The village elders listened in awe as he recounted their adventure, and from that day forward, Kofi became known as the boy who had made friends with an elephant. His story served as a reminder of the unbreakable bond that could exist between humans and the majestic creatures of the wild, and it inspired generations to come to cherish and protect their natural world.